The phrase metaverse is the most recent buzzword to catch the attention of the IT community, and while Facebook parent company Meta is the most well-known participant in this futuristic virtual notion, it's by no means the only one either. The biggest thing to happen to the metaverse since science fiction author Neal Stephenson first created the phrase for his 1992 novel Snow Crash may be Mark Zuckerberg's all-in embrace, which includes rebranding his company and investing tens of billions of dollars. The metaverse, which will combine virtual reality and other technologies, is being developed by a team led by Mark Zuckerberg, but they are far from the only tech visionaries with views on how it should develop. As with any new technology, there are many worries about the metaverse, such as whether it will give major tech corporations access to even more personal information or if it would encourage the propagation of hatred and disinformation online, as well as other negative effects that worsen real-world issues. And those goggles, of course. Virtual reality headsets are currently required for everyone who wants to access the metaverse, which is a deal-breaker for some. Is the metaverse what? According to Victoria Petrock, an expert who tracks developing technologies, it will also include other online activities like social networking and shopping. It's the next step in connectedness, she explained, when all of those things start to come together in a seamless, doppelganger universe, so you're living your virtual life the same way you're living your actual life. What will the metaverse allow me to do? Such as attending an online concert, traveling, and purchasing and trying on digital goods. The movement toward working from home that has resulted from the coronavirus pandemic may likewise be altered by the metaverse. Employees could view coworkers virtually in place of viewing them on a video call grid. How to link their internet platforms together is still a problem for tech corporations. Competing technological platforms will also need to come to an agreement on a set of standards for it to work. A meta project or the metaverse? Because he believes it will play a significant role in the digital economy, Zuckerberg is investing heavily in what he sees as the next generation of the internet. However, he has admitted that no one firm will create the metaverse on their own. Along with numerous startups, other businesses promoting the metaverse include Microsoft and the chipmaker Nvidia. Companies that make video games are also playing a key role. The developer of the well-known video game Fortnite, Epic Games, has collected $1 billion from investors to support its long-term goals for the creation of the metaverse. Another significant player is the gaming platform Roblox. According to its description of the metaverse, people may come together within millions of 3D experiences to study, work, play, create, and interact. Also attempting to capitalize on the trend are consumer brands. Can I get more of my data in this manner? According to Steve Zhang, managing partner at Kindred Ventures and a venture capitalist who specializes in Bitcoin technologies, we want to be able to move around the internet with ease, but we also want to be able to move around the internet in a way we're not tracked and monitored.